Hey guys, welcome to Ivy Venture. Today I'm going to share you my own trading experience, but it's definitely not a positive experience, it's a negative experience of mine. You know what happened to me in my early trading days? Whenever I sit for trading, constantly stop loss got hit. I was very frustrated. I went to an extent where I even tried changing my workplace, my trading time, etc. But nothing worked out. Later, I found my actual enemy. Oh my god, it was actually my stop loss. It's normal that once we found our enemy, we used to boycott them. I did the same thing. I stopped placing stop loss in my orders. So, from that on, I had a wonderful experience of trading. All my trading ends up in profit. I was very happy. For 2 months, I earned a lot. And then that one day came. A single trade washes away my entire fund balance, and in fact, with all the profits that I earned for last 2 months. At that point, I realized one thing: stop loss is not my enemy, but actually my life savior. So, placing stop loss is important and equally it should not get hit frequently. Then I started doing researches based on that problem and did some of the self analyzation on my trading style, like what kind of trader I am and what are all the rules I have to follow before taking up a trade and what are all the mistakes I am doing frequently. Then I found some of the trading mistakes that traders like me would do or might be still doing. So I wanted to share you some of the common mistakes that traders would do. Amongst these reasons, any of the one or two reasons you might do unknowingly and face the same stop loss hitting problem like I faced. So please don't skip the video, watch until the end. Please give a like and subscribe to our channel. So now let's go into the video. Point number one, don't trade against the trend. That is, look at here. Here it is a clear uptrend. Here you can find one shooting star. So seeing this, any trader will start to sell his stock. So seeing this shooting star, he will decide to place a stop loss at wick of the shooting star. But what will happen is this stop loss will get easily hitter and the price will goes up. That is why we should not take up our trade against this trend. Point number two, avoid taking a trade during the trend reversal and retracement. A trader taking a sell trade in this downtrend anywhere around here and he is going to place his stop loss at here. If he done that, what might happen to his trade? The price would have touched the support line here and the price bounces back, hitting his stop loss very easily. So even though you follow the trend, always make sure there is any support nearby before taking a trading decision. So avoid taking a trade during the trend reversal and retracement. Also, we need to give importance to retracement before placing stop loss. Let me explain you by placing the Fibonacci retracement tool. Suppose a trader taking a sell trade here and he is placing a stop loss at here. The price will touches the zero point 0.6 level and bounces back. So remember giving importance to the retracement while placing the stop loss. And point number three, avoid taking a trade before any important events. Avoid taking up your trade if you happen to see any of these events or dividends here happening time, because there will be a price volatility, that is prices will be uncertain. Suppose you really wanted to make a trade that time, place your stop loss higher than usual or you can also reduce the quantity. This will prevent you from making huge losses. So point number 4, do not take trade in consolidation market because at this time market will be unpredictable. We can trade and earn even in sideways market, but in consolidation period, prices will go up and down within a range because the market is indecisive during that time. In this time, if we place a trade, our stop loss will get hit easily, and moreover, we cannot make much profit. So avoid taking up a trade during consolidation market. Point number 5, stop loss hunting. Corporates or institutional traders will always wanted to buy bulk quantity, so they will hunt our stop losses for liquidity, and also with cheaper price they can get that. Assume that you are taking a trade here. It is common that you will place your stop loss here, and some traders like you will also place their stop losses at this point. So corporates or institutional traders expect a huge sell orders as many stop loss orders triggered here. Then they will push the price to this extent, and then the price falls down, hitting all our stop losses. They will hunt all our stop losses. So we cannot predict this thing, but don't worry, this is a rare thing. I hope these 5 points are useful to you. These points are not your mistakes actually, but using these few tips, you can actually improve your trading style. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and feel free to share your experience on stop loss hitting problem below in our comment section. Thank you.